Hi, Paris. Are you a good girl? Yeah, you are. Okay, we're gonna do a taste test. We've got 2 bones. This one is chicken flavor. Yep, chicken flavor. This one is peanut butter flavor. So let's see which one you think is better. So take a look. Chicken. Oh, we have a winner. Oh, you like the peanut butter too? Okay. Well, chicken won over peanut butter. Now I know for next time which flavor to get you, right? Oh, you want both still? Oh, thank you. Yeah, we'll save this one for later. Go get your other bone. Now she's just confused. Oh, no, she's good. She's good. She's happy. She likes chicken. What do you think? Is that a good one? Chicken bones. I like these teething rings because she can hold on to them pretty easily with the circle part. And when she was little, it used to take maybe a week for her to eat it. Now she eats it in a day, but... What do you think? It's a good bone, huh? Don't tell anybody, but the bone might be under that donut toy in the bag, getting buried for safety things. I mean, I feed you twice a day, but I guess you always need to make sure you got extra